Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you guys how to make the cat sandwich lunchbox. So this is the product that I will be making. There are 5 ingredients that we will need. The first ingredient is 3 loaves of bread. Secondly, is 1 piece of ham. Thirdly, 1 slice of tomatoes. Fourthly, 2 pieces of cheese. And lastly, 2 little slices of carrots. Start with, put 1 loaf of bread on the plate. On the top of the plate, add 1 slice of ham. After that, place 1 slice of tomato and cheese. Covered with 1 loaf of bread. Take a knife and cut off the shape of the cat face. Take out the leftover edges and cut out the edges that's for the cat ears. And place it on the above of it. And put some decorations on it. Beside the sandwich, there have 2 ingredients that we will need. The first is the cheese sandwich, and the second one is the oranges that have. Get some of the oranges and place it beside the sandwich. And the cheese sandwich as well. So this is the final of the cat sandwich.